You're still stupid. If you're over there somewhere. There you are. This is Sasquatch. This is Sasquatch. It's still over there. Sure it looks Sasquatch. If Sasquatch is watching this, no thanks. But you're a psycho and no one loves you. So where's it go? This is where the camera you would take pictures of people's faces. Because, you know, all people that work Spooktail want to see their face.